Hi, I'm Rakuda, international 利き酒師. In this video, I'll explain what makes sake truly unique, clearly and simply. Many people think sake is rice wine, but sake is made with a completely different brewing method. To understand that difference, let's look at the 4 key features that make sake unlike any other drink. Sake is unique because of multiple parallel fermentation, Koji-driven flavor, temperature diversity, aroma and style diversity. Let's explore each one. First, multiple parallel fermentation. Two transformations happen at the same time during sake brewing. Starch is converted into sugar by Koji, and sugar is converted into alcohol by yeast. This simultaneous process is extremely rare in alcohol production. Beer and wine don't work this way. Beer breaks down starch first, then ferments later. Wine ferments sugar directly from grapes, but sake performs both conversions at once, which creates a smooth texture and naturally higher alcohol than beer or wine. Second, Koji-driven flavor. Koji breaks down protein into amino acids and also releases aromatic compounds. This gives sake its soft, layered, elegant flavors that are totally different from other alcoholic drinks. Koji is unique to Japanese fermentation culture. It's used for miso, soy sauce, and many traditional foods. But in alcohol, only sake relies on koji this deeply, and that's a big reason its flavor profile is so distinctive. Third, temperature diversity. Sake can be enjoyed across a much wider temperature range than most drinks. Cold sake around 5 to 10 degrees tastes light and crisp. Room temperature sake is balanced and smooth. Warm sake 35 to 50 degrees becomes umami rich and rounded. Different temperatures open up different flavor compounds. Cold sake brings out fruity notes. Warm sake highlights umami and depth. So one bottle of sake can offer many different experiences just by changing the serving temperature. Fourth, aroma and style diversity. Sake aromas often fall into 3 main directions: fruity and floral, often found in Ginjo style sake; classic rice aroma, clean and comforting; and aged or umami-driven aromas, such as nuts or caramel. These form a simple aroma triangle that helps you understanding the wide range of sake profiles. Sake also comes in many styles: Junmai, Honjozo, Ginjo, Daiginjo, sparkling, cloudy, aged, and more. This is no single sake flavor. Exploring sake is part of the fun. Now you know the basic of what makes sake unique. Koji, fermentation, temperature, and aroma all come together to create a drink unlike any other. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And I hope to see you in the next lesson on sake categories here on Sake Journey.